Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and it is time to unbox my paper pumpkin. I do want to unbox it, but I also want to tell you that I'm changing it up a bit. I am going to reward all of my paper pumpkin subscribers with a monthly Zoom put together class. So usually I do it online, and I still will do alternatives online live, but I wanted to reward specifically the people who order paper pumpkin from me. So we'll be having a class. There will be alternatives as we put these together. And I will also be having a door prize drawing for all who attend. So if you wanted to be part of that, make sure that you are subscribed to Paper Pumpkin, and you need to do so before the 10th of each month. And also you can cancel at any time, and if you want to, again, do so before the 10th of each month, because on the 11th is when we get charged for these little beauties. They are so worth it. But okay, this one is called the Hope Box. I have not looked at it. I did take the packaging off, but let's go ahead and get started and unbox this. All right, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. If you wanted to order it, you could buy the 3-month subscription pack at jeanpersani.stampinup.net, and it is celebration. It does cost over $50, so that will also get you a free stamp set or a free designer series paper. So make sure you check that out. I believe there's also some dies in there. The larger packs that you get, the more you can get, but it's from the celebration, those freebies that you could get. And let's go ahead and open this. If you do have more questions about it, let me know. I would be happy to help you. So the box in itself is nice and pretty. It is made for decorating from what I have seen on the internet. And look at this. We're gonna start out with a full, like, I don't know if it's full, but it's a whole roll of ribbon, right? So I don't know how much is in there. I can't really tell, but look at that. That is beautiful. And that is the Blackberry Bliss, right? Because it's gonna match with the Stampin' Spot that you get. So if you wanted to collect inks, this is the best way to do it, in my opinion. Well, that's not true. I buy the whole entire selection, but I use the large. But if you're just starting out, this is the way to go. All right, so this is called the Hope Box, and this is Shelly Gardner. She is the co-founder of the company, Stampin' Up. So this was her inspiration. Oh, I was going to use this to show you the stamps, but this is going to tell you how to assemble that box. So there we go. All right, I thought that was white, so I was going to get something to show you. So here we go. We've got the word hope. This one says just a note of hope. Always hope, because you never know what tomorrow will bring. We've got some flowers, a little butterfly. My favorite are these little speckled patches. We've got another little butterfly. Right here it says there is faith. Okay, this one says where there is. So you can do where there is hope, there is faith. This one says where there is faith, miracles happen. See, these are beautiful. I love it. All right, let's see what else is in here. And here it is. We've got the instructions. Again, here is that butterfly. We've got 3 cards, 3 cards, 3 cards. So it looks like there's enough to make 9 cards. I'm already loving these little guys here. What are they called? Sequins. And they are adhesive backed, I can tell. I can tell. That's what I love about these paper pumpkin boxes. As soon as you get the kit, you just need to start making cards. It comes with everything you need. The only thing that I would suggest you may want is a pair of scissors or paper snips, which you can find on my store. I, of course, my favorite tool, this is the Take Your Pick tool. And then maybe a bone folder. So it's in my basics kit if you wanted to check that out. And let's go ahead and look at these. I know I'm going backwards, not the cards. Let's look at the sequins. I'm all about the embellishments. So look at how pretty that is. Can you see all the sparkle going on there? Let's see. There you go. Look at that. Woo! And it's so pretty. Of course, we get some of our little Stampin' Dimensionals. It comes with adhesive. Again, another product you might want to have is the Stampin' Seal, because me, myself, would rather work with the Stampin' Seal than this here. We've got envelopes, and I absolutely love that the envelopes match. And look at this, so pretty. I love it. So we've got matching envelopes. We've got some additional flags. These are cutout flags. And as you know, I tell you all the time, when you're taking everything out, I put it all together and then take them all out at one time, so they all come out. And I do these with not just big bold ones like this. I also do them with the little leaves, because it gives it more strength to pull away. So that's how I do that. We've got some little white pieces of white cardstock. All right, we've got the words tomorrow here. I'm assuming these are all, oh, and that's the word hope. Those are the two words that I know. I do not know the other words, but I'm assuming they are also meaning hope and tomorrow. Okay. Did you see my brain get a little stumped there? We've got some more little pieces. Again, this side is white if you want, or you can use this beautiful pastel swatch there. We've got some little white pieces of, sheesh, my brain is going crazy right now. Just little pieces that you could stamp on, and they're already cut out like little labels. We also have some round pieces here. These I don't cut out. These I stamp with. When I'm doing multiples, I just stamp, 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 stamp. We've got some more. Again, white on this side. So I keep getting a glimpse of this little thing. This is not real, by the way. It's just a fake little guy. So you'll see it if you guys are wondering, like, why did she have like a little tattoo looking thing there, and now this time she doesn't? It's because it's not real. I am not going to commit to anything real like that, so but I do like to have fun. All right, so here I'm just putting this against that white background so you could see here, and then when you put it against a color, you can see that color through here as well. And then look at these little butterflies, so pretty. We've got the card bases. That's 3 of them there, so I'm assuming that's for one type of card. Ooh, look at this. Look at how pretty this is. Again, you can take these all out at the same time, and it makes it so much easier. See how it gives it a nice thick. So I'm not going to do this one because I'm thinking I could use one for a stencil, right? Maybe that would be nice. I don't know. We'll see. This, oh, this wraps around the box. this is going to wrap around the Hope box. I'm assuming. I will have to look at the directions to see how this works, but that's what I think that is. And then we've got 3 more bases. Those pretty butterflies in here. Oh, I bet those go with that, the one that's already, oh no, this one goes with, hold please. This one must go with one of these, right? And they line up so pretty. Am I right or am I wrong? I might be wrong. It just, oh yeah, no, that looks like it lines up really nice. There we go. So pretty. Yes. What do we have here? Always hope because you never know what tomorrow will bring. Look at these. I wish I knew how to speak other languages. I mean, I obviously know what it says. It says the same exact thing, but just so pretty. We've got a little tag here, 3 little flower cutouts. We've got, again, hope here. Oh, I see a sneak peek underneath here. We have another base, another card base. 3 of them, so it does make 9 cards. And then we've got this huge butterfly. We've got these cute little flowers. Oh my gosh. I could just play with this all day. Another cute little flower. And then these little guys too. And then finally, we've got the directions to put it all together. Look at that. There's the box. So pretty. So, and there's that box there. And there's that ribbon. I don't see any of the cards having ribbon, so I'm assuming that that is ribbon for the box. But again, we'll be doing alternatives. We'll be doing them live in my online class. I can tell you that it is going to be on the last Monday of the month for Paper Pumpkin subscribers. That gives plenty of time for your Paper Pumpkins to get in on time. And then the last Monday of the month at 4 p.m. Arizona time. So Arizona time is what will be going on. And so that does change throughout the year for most of the United States, but Arizona does not change. So it's always going to be 4 p.m. Arizona time. I hope you guys like this. If you do and want to participate in my monthly classes, these boxes, guess what? They're only $22 a month plus tax. It includes shipping. It includes shipping. Can you believe that? So, yeah. So I'll put the information. You can always go here if you wanted to take advantage in for September or August or September. And you will get the free celebrations if you order 3 months or more through this site here, okay? You can still use your host code, and oh my gosh, you guys, we are gonna have so much fun playing with all this stuff. I am going to be designing a nice card, so we could do the alternative, and I will give you the directions for the alternative as well, for being on my stamping Paper Pumpkin subscriber. Of course, my stamping beauties who are on my team can always join in as well. And that is it for that one. I guess for those of you who are Paper Pumpkin subscribers of mine, thank you for sticking around to the end if you're not. But I will send you directions, so keep an eye out on your email. All right, beauties, thank you again. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.